Guys, good evening. You are welcome to my YouTube channel, the Explicit Tutorials. As you all know, I'm Tutor Joseph or Mr. Explicit. Please, as you watch this video, endeavor to subscribe, like, share, and comment. In today's class, we shall be looking at some likely exam questions on chapter 2 of organic chemistry. And of course, this is a part 1 of the topic. Alright, we've treated likely exam questions on chapter 1 already. So if you know you haven't watched the videos that are focused on the topics themselves, I would advise you do so. And if you have not watched the videos on likely exam questions on chapter 1, it is also important you do so. Alright, so let's jump into what we have tonight. Alright, the first question here says the heating of dry copper oxide or copper 2 oxide with dry powder is used to determine hydrogen and carbon. Please, the heating of dry copper oxide with dry powder is used to determine hydrogen and carbon. Take note of that. Now, number 2, during elemental analysis, the liberation of black precipitate shows the presence of dash. During elemental analysis, the liberation of black precipitate shows the presence of dash. Please, it shows the presence of sulfur. And also for the confirmatory test for sulfur, all right, the liberation of pink or purple color also shows the presence of sulfur. All right, now the next question, the presence of pink or purple color with sodium nitroprusside shows the presence of sulfur. All right, I think I just explained that, so the answer is B, sulfur. Number 4, the presence of Prussian blue shows the presence of nitrogen. A, this topic has been treated already on my YouTube channel. All right, so I don't have the time to be analyzing all the options. Okay, number 5, which of these is correct when silver nitrate is added to sodium chloride? D is the answer. The white ppt of sodium chloride, which is soluble in excess what? Aqueous solution. All right, so when silver nitrate is added to sodium chloride, there is formation of what? Silver chloride, and of course it is a white ppt and it is soluble in excess aqueous what? Solution. Please take note of that. Number 6, which of these is correct when silver nitrate is added to sodium iodide? All right, when silver nitrate is added to sodium iodide, there's liberation of what? Yellow ppt. Yellow ppt is sodium iodide. All right, white ppt is silver chloride. Okay, white ppt is silver chloride, but yellow ppt is silver iodide. So please take note of that. C becomes the answer. Number 7, which of these is correct when silver nitrate is added to sodium bromide? Which of these is correct when silver nitrate is added to sodium bromide? There is a liberation of an off-white ppt of silver bromide. All right, silver bromide is off-white in color, but silver iodide is yellow in color, but silver chloride is white in color. Please take note of that. Number 8, when a known weight of copper 2 oxide is heated in a stream of carbon 4 oxide, this is dash method. This is Dumas method. All right, this is Dumas method. Number 9, in Dumas method, any trace of carbon 4 oxide and silver 4 and sulfur 4 oxide is absorbed using potassium hydroxide, that is KOH. So the answer is option C. All right. Number 10. Tetraoxosulfuric acid and anhydrous potassium sulfate are associated with Jedda's method. Okay, they are associated with Jedda's method. Number 11. The function of the anhydrous potassium sulfate in the above method is to raise the boiling point of the acid. All right, so the function of the potassium sulfate is to raise the boiling point of H2SO4, which happens to be the acid. Number 12. Ammonium sulfate is associated with Jedda's method. All right, our next video, or the next questions that will be compiled on chapter 2 of organic chemistry, will be based on isomerism. What is isomerism? Isomerism is a process whereby two or more organic compound have the same molecular formula but different electronic configuration. Now we have two types of isomerism. We have the structural isomerism and we have the stereo isomerism. Under the structural isomerism, we have the chain isomerism, we have the position isomerism, we have tautomerism, and we now have the functional group isomerism. Then under the stereo isomerism, we have the optical isomerism and we have the geometric isomerism. Then under the geometric isomerism, we have the cis isomerism and the trans isomerism. So in our next video, we are going to be looking at questions on isomerism as a subtopic in chapter 2. Do have a wonderful day.